What is up, everyone? Welcome to Canvaplay.
Hello, good hearts and godsends. My name is Simon, your good heart VA, and welcome to our channel Canva Play. Here in Canva Play, we make videos to share Canva design tutorials, tips, tricks, and hacks that will elevate your Canva skills for free. If you are interested in that, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell notification just below this video and turn on notifications too, so you don't miss out on every video we post here on our channel. With that said, I'm going to head over onto our today's tutorial. Today's tutorial is called Metallic Skin Effect. The metallic color is a color that appears to be that of polished metal. Metals are gray in colors. A metallic finish can be created by combining highly specific colors and coatings to recreate the gloss and texture associated with metals to make the metallic shine. If you are a follower of our Instagram handles, you knew that gold and silver effects were some of the effects we've done in our past content. It has something to do with changing the color of the human skin. In this tutorial, I will change the skin color to metallic. How? Well, here are the sample of the designs that I will create, and let's jump into Canva. I am now in a blank Canva design page. I am going to get my subject photo from uploads here, but you can get this image from photos also with the keyword summer portrait of happy, successful man, blue background. I will set this image as my background. I will get again the same photo from uploads, and this time using this image, I'll go to edit image and click on background remover to remove its background. If you are using a pro version of Canva, you can automatically remove the background under edit image. If you are a free version user, you can use the free alternative background remover like remove.bg. I will put in the description box below the link to this alternative. If you want to have a Canva Pro account, I have a link in the description below that will give you access to 30 trial days of Canva Pro. It's completely free and you can cancel it at any time you want, hassle-free. Going back, I will apply the settings to this image to create the metallic skin effect. Using this image, go to edit image, find photogenic, click see all. Under it, look for color pop effect, and under color pop, choose outrun. Then let's click apply. Using the same image, go to edit image again. This time, find color mix. This one. See all. Then choose glow. Under it, click the settings and let's change the strength to 2, size 4, cutoff 0.4. Then click apply. Let's just wait for it to load. Okay, using the image, go to edit image, go to adjust, click see all, and change the settings to saturation -100, tint 40, blur -15, warmth 100, highlights 100, shadows -100. Let's change the transparency to 80. Look how the color of it became a shiny metallic color. After this, I will now resize it and overlay it to the original image background. Then I'll lock it. Perfect. Done. Look at the first sample of the metallic skin effect I've created. For the next sample, I will show you a different style in making this effect. Since it's a metallic skin effect, then what if I want to apply the effect only to the skin? I want to exclude the dress of the man. Here's now how to do it, and this is a tip in creating a realistic design, so let's better watch it out carefully. Create another page. Drag a photo from uploads. Another image. Then you can also get this image from photos with the keyword summer portrait of handsome man, blue background. I will set this image as my background. I will get again the same photo from uploads. And I'm going now to edit image. And I'll click background remover. This time, I will not click the apply button right away because I will retain only the skin part of the man and erase the other parts. So, let me click on the erase tool and erase the portion of the dress of the man. Now it's done, I will click done and apply. I will now apply the same settings I applied in my first sample to create the metallic skin effect. Using the image without the background and the erased one, let's go to edit image. Scroll down and find photogenic. Under it, look for the color pop effect. And under color pop, choose outrun. Then click apply. Using the same image, go again to edit image. Find color mix. This, see all. Let's just wait for it to load. Under it, choose glow. Then change the settings to strength 2, size 4, cutoff 0.4, and click apply. Using the same image, go again to edit image, go to adjust, see all, and change the settings to saturation -100, tint 40, blur -15, warmth 100, highlights 100 rather, and shadows -100. And let's change the transparency again to 80. Look how the color of it became a shiny metallic color. I will now resize it and overlay it to the original image background. Then, I will lock it. And it's done. Look at the second sample of the metallic skin effect I've created. Again, here are the two final results of the metallic skin effect I made in Canva. Sample 1, Sample 2. That's it. For more design inspirations, watch this. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and to be updated with our upcoming videos, click subscribe. Drop your comments below for the tutorial you want to learn next time. Before I end this video, I hope I inspire your creativity. I'm Simon, your good heart VA, saying, sharing is caring. In behalf of Pinky Godsend VA, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you don't miss the next video from Pinky with another exciting Canva tutorial. Bye guys, see you in the next video!